Meaning of dim-witted.
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 Dim-witted. Dim-witted refers to someone who is lacking in intelligence or mental capacity. It is used to describe a person who is slow to understand, or who makes consistently poor decisions due to their limited cognitive ability. This term is often considered offensive and derogatory, as it implies that the person being referred to is inferior or stupid. Ultimately, being called dim-witted is an insult that suggests that someone lacks the mental acuity to effectively navigate the world around them.